Alright, welcome back everybody. Now we're going to talk about the if statement a little bit more. We're going to pick back up on it. So we talked about the string, we talked about some characters, so we can talk about this. Alright, so I changed this program up just a little bit. So right now, when we run this, it's going to ask the user, do you want to continue? Yes or no, with using a capital Y or a capital N. And then next, it's going to wait for the user to type in a value. So we're going to make an if statement. If, now the name of our variable is XYZ. We want to look at the first char at. Alright, so char at 0, remember, is the first character in this string. Alright, so this whole thing is going to be a single character value, everything that I have highlighted. And I want to see if that is equal to the character yes. Okay. If so, we'll just say proceed. Okay, so here's the whole program. Yep, so let's go ahead and run this. Alright, so do you want to continue, yes or no? So I'm going to type in a capital Y and press enter. It'll say proceed and terminate program. So right here, I typed in Y. I typed in the capital Y. So does Y equal Y? Yes, it does. I know it will proceed. Okay. So how about this? Let me go ahead and run this now. Let's say I type in N. And so does N equal Y? It does not. So it skips this entire block and it just says terminate program. So proceed is not printed because this statement evaluates to false. Because remember, what I have highlighted here, it returns the character value of N, which is no. In fact, if I run this, if I type in K, capital K, and press enter, it still runs through. It does K equal Y? It does not, so it'll skip it. So we may want to control what the user actually types in. The user can actually type in things that breaks the program. Let me go ahead and run this now. Alright, let's say I leave it blank and I press enter. Oh, I guess it's still waiting on me. Alright. Oh, no, terminate program. Okay. I thought it was going to crash because it returned an empty string. Alright, well it didn't crash. Okay, cool. Alright, whatever. Now, let's say, do you want to proceed? And I type in yes. And press enter. It'll say proceed and terminate program, right? Because the first character is still a capital Y. Alright? So it's only looking at the first character of the entire string. Because so it doesn't matter. The rest of anything else that I type in after doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter at all. Because it's only looking at the first character, the char at 0. Alright. Let me go ahead and run this again. What if I use a lowercase y? Does the lowercase y work? Nope. Does lowercase y equal capital Y? It does not. So that could be frustrating to the user if they have to type in a capital letter. So how would we consider a capital letter or a lowercase letter? All right, we're going to talk about that in a future video. It might be the next video because we need to talk about logical operators. All right. So that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to copy and paste this code, visit the website, the link in the website, carbon12.life, and it'll take you straight to this tutorial page, and you can copy and paste the code. And that's for all the videos, all the videos and the upcoming videos. Again, thank you for watching, and we still got a lot to cover.